Hi guys, welcome back to a video. I don't know what is this. My name is Bushiping. What is this? A parrot? Hello, my amethyst. You're a cop and a pirate. Cool man. Okay, let's. Oh my god! Oh my god! Who keep chat that thing?
What? Why is not respecting the church, bro? Why?
What? Too many people. I'm just going to sit right next here and I can really see your way of just
Baba! Oi!
papa, papa.
I will see my face reveal when I get 1K subscriber, bro.
What I just see arrow bucks come here. Oh man, what is
What?
that?
How he can do that?
Is this gun thing in your back? Hey man,
What?
what?
How?
Wow,
He glitched, bro.
we just let's exit.
Okay. What is that?
Let's explore this thing.
Oh, I know. Yeah, go in there, go in there.
Wow, this is.
What
What is
is
that?
that?
I don't know what is that. Let's check it out later.
What is that?
What is this?
A popsicle church? What?
Wow. Look.
A mini table?
Hello. Yeah. Let's go.
What is that?
What? What is that?
I think that was a mini CR. Oh,
Oh.
what?
I can. I can see. I can see it.
Oh, wait, tas mo nga. Wait, tas mo. Go up there.
Okay, buddy. Let me in. That's in.
Restroom. Let's try it. Ooh,
What is
man
this?
or girl? What?
Wow.
There's a golden tub. Ano yan?
Golden. Golden. I
Get
don't
in.
know.
Ooh, oh, you're pooping, bro. The other one. Nope, 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 nope. The other door. No, not that.
This.
Go, nope, don't. Jandra.
I
What
think
is
this is a
that?
meeting place. You
Meeting room?
you call the restaurant.
What?
Yeah, right?
What? Look at the board. Look at the board. Nope, nope,
So
no.
ugly.
No. This one. This. Nice.
Wow, it's a big clock
Okay.
in there.
We have two doors. Two doors.
Which one? I
Go in there. Go at the left side.
okay.
Oh, it's just the same, bro.
Oh my
Bro,
god.
that's trying to get.
What is
Let's find the.
Good luck. Okay, yeah. Hey, that's my seat.
Look.
Remember.
Oh, okay.
Hey!
How to get up there?
What are you, an angel? You're kinda blah blah blah
Blah
blah.
blah blah.
Don't say that in God. Don't blah blah blah. Oh yeah.
Come on, guys. Let's get out of this game. It's too
Uh,
rude, boy.
yes, too. Yeah. Let's join another game.